Francis? What's up?
I need the SBI.
Sally! Sally! Where are you? We've got a client!
Wow, that stinks. Maybe that's the correct result. You should obtain a red solution. Yeah, I'd really like that. Dewey, I'm trying to do my revision for chemistry. Have you forgotten about the test tomorrow? And I'm stuck in red, not even a miserable violet.
Ouch! She's stuck on experiment 3. She won't give up till she gets it right, so we could be waiting for hours. Why don't you, take a break, Sally? This could be a really juicy one. Breaking and entering and... How could it be green? Don't worry, I'm bringing out the big guns. Okay, too bad, Sally. I understand we all have our priorities. I'll take the case on my own. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sally? Right, I want you to start at the beginning and don't leave anything out, no matter how trivial it might seem.
So this is where it happened. They were on the desk there. All my chemistry books. I was revising for the test tomorrow.
Francis, you haven't seen them, have you?
What, Dad? Your slippers? Your glasses?
No. I'm sure they're around here somewhere.
His neurons?
Hello?
My dad, he's the research scientist. He's a bit, you know...
Lost in space?
Actually, a bit of a genius. Dad, that's the kitchen, not your lab.
Ah, I wondered where that was.
Did you find what you were looking for, Dad?
No. This is my hat. I'm looking for my notes. What was I looking for?
Your notes, Dad.
Ah, my notes. I wonder where they can have got to. I'm sure I had them last night.
Oh, we could ask Sally and Dewey to lend us a hand. They're pros and... Sally? Sally? Dewey? Dewey? Ah!
Don't worry, it's normal. Sometimes he has the same effect on me. Ooh, I smell a clue. I'd say he'd been waiting around here. And here he landed after he jumped out of the window. And there, look, he's been running away from the house.
Unusual soles, too. See that tread pattern? And they're the same size as mine, so I reckon we're looking for someone about our age.
Or a man with very small feet.
My feet are perfectly normal size.
Anyway, I don't think a man would wear shoes with soles like that. Hang on. Let me see. It's too wet and muddy to read. We need to analyze this at the lab. Aha! The SBI always went through!
My chemistry books, you found them! My chemistry notes, super! I've got everything back, just like that!
Well, that didn't take long. We were dealing with a totally useless thief. Case closed.
But why go to all the trouble of breaking into Francis's house just to leave the stolen goods behind?
Well, it's obvious. Francis disturbed him and he ran off and dropped the books. Come on, Sally, don't you have a chemistry problem you couldn't work out?
Yes, but I can't work this out either.
Okay, you've got 2 problems to work on. Which one are you going to deal with first?
Oh, thanks.
What?
I've got 3 problems to solve. The reactant sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid will combine to give which products? Demonstrate your answer through the experiment. Who knows? Who cares? Come on, Sally. Okay, let's concentrate. Objective, get a good grade in the exam. Solution, revise flat out. And at the same time, it'll only take me a few seconds to take a look at this thing. It's no good, I can't make it out. The reactant sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Dewey, I've solved problem number 3. We're going to have to deal with problem number 2 first. The mystery of who was at Francis's house. You can do your revision later. We have to finish this case.
With this new special Muckbuster software, we should be able to decipher what's on this scrap of paper.
That's it, it's getting clearer. It's Francis's address.
Well, we've got one bright thief on our hands. Why didn't he just memorize it?
Let's have a look at the other side. Franklin Fruit and Veg. Franklin's? But that's Alex's dad's shop.
Alex?
Oh, Dewey, you know, Alex, in our class. Not very good at chemistry? Come on, I'm dying to hear how this piece of paper managed to end up under Francis's window. Thanks very much. Right, Alex isn't at home. His mum said he's revising at school.
Sally, come on! We've got Francis's books back. That's the main thing. If we go and see Alex, we'll be wasting our time and blow the test.
The FBI never gives up on an unsolved case.
Don't blame me when you come bottom in the test.
A Bollywood never gives in.
A McAdam prefers not to get a 0.
Oh, maybe Dewey's right. Looks as if everyone's going to pass this test except me.
Help! Help! Please! Sally, do something!
Alex, where's this cat? Puss, puss, puss. Where'd that thing come from?
I don't know.
It looks like the caretaker's cat. How did it triple in size?
Ouch!
Hey, Puss Puss, come over here. Yummy Din Dins. The Bengal tiger's in its cage. Okay, now I want to hear.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Of course. I'm investigating the theft of a chemical formula, and I find you with a cat out of a horror film. Alex, where were you last night?
You've got nothing on me. Now leave me alone or tell the principal you're stressing me out before an exam.
Hi, Sally. What do you think, revising?
Oh, come on, Dewey. It won't take long. You can get back to your chemistry soon. Well, don't blame me that you've just missed your chance to see the biggest cat in the world. It only happens once in a lifetime. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, Dewey. What's going on?
What's that?
Your furry friend, and he's clawing mad. Shall I leave you two alone?
No, please!
You were around at Francis's last night.
No.
Okay.
All right, yes. I hadn't done any work for the chemistry exam. Because Francis's dad's got the most fantastic chemistry notes, I went to his house to borrow his books.
Borrow?
Yes. There are a lot of things on the desk, so I just took what seemed useful. I used the notes to help with my revision. And that's when the caretaker's cat came in. He knocked my experiment over and some of the stuff spilled on him, and then he started getting bigger.
I'm beginning to understand. You didn't steal Francis's...
Borrow?
Okay, you didn't borrow Francis's notes, but his father's. As a result, you used a formula that wasn't the one for the exercise. Alex, can you please return what you borrowed?
Here, just let me get out here.
Well then, Alex, where's my bowl of milk? Pussy not eat, pussy not happy. Okay, I'll leave now. I have chemistry to revise.
He tried to get away. Get away, get away. Treat him out his own game. Own game, own game. There's more to do today. Do today, do today. Make that beast a cat again. Cat again, cat again.
Oh, thank you, thank you. My notes, months of research. Oh, thank you, my girl. I'm so grateful.
Dad's been working on a quick growth formula.
Yes, to speed the growth of crops. I had no idea it would work on cats as well. You learn something every day.
I don't suppose you've got an antidote, do you?
Well, now, it shouldn't be too hard. If one were to reverse the polarity of the ionized polymers and transfer the growth rate of the protons to the hydroxide...
Great! This looks pretty simple, just like most chemistry.
Well done, Dad.
Oh, it was simple. Just an amusing little colloidal retroaction. It's no miracle, you know.
Speaking of which, I don't suppose you could lend me a hand to carry out an experiment, could you?
I did far more work and you got top marks in the chemistry test.
But you didn't have a world-famous scientist giving you a tutorial.
You mean Francis's dad? But that's cheating.
No, it's what I call using your brains. And just like I said, a Bollywood never gives up.